The AI gold rush. It's here, and you're invited. Imagine a world where machines can think, create, and innovate just like humans. Well, that world is no longer a distant dream, it's our reality today. Did you know a robot could write a novel, compose a symphony, design a skyscraper? These aren't just hypothetical scenarios, they are happening right now, thanks to the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence. It's true. Artificial intelligence is changing the world faster than a meteor shower. From healthcare to entertainment, from finance to education, AI is revolutionizing every sector, making processes more efficient and opening up new possibilities. And guess what? You can use it to make money. Yes, you heard that right. AI isn't just for big corporations or tech giants, it's accessible to everyone, including you. Yes, you. No need to be a tech genius or a coding wizard. With user-friendly AI tools, anyone can leverage this technology to create new income streams or enhance existing ones. This isn't science fiction, folks. It's happening right now. The tools and resources are at your fingertips, ready to be explored and utilized. The AI gold rush is on, and the best part, everyone's invited. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, there's a place for you in this exciting new frontier. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or just looking for a side hustle, AI tools can help you boost your income and free up your time. Imagine automating mundane tasks, analyzing data in seconds, and making informed decisions with ease. Forget digging for gold. We're talking about mining the power of your own mind, with a little help from our AI friends. The potential is limitless, and the opportunities are endless. Ready to strike it rich? Let's dig in. Join us on this incredible journey and discover how AI can transform your life and business. The future is here, and it's brimming with possibilities. Are you ready to seize them? Unearthing the hidden gems, AI tools you've never heard of. Everyone's talking about ChatGPT. It's like the rock star of the AI world. But just like in music, there are tons of amazing, lesser-known artists out there. These hidden gems are just as powerful, if not more so, and they're waiting to be discovered. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is a Swiss Army knife. Useful for sure, but sometimes you need a specialized tool. That's where these under-the-radar AI tools come in. They're laser-focused on specific tasks, making them incredibly efficient and effective. Plus, they're often more affordable or even free. Intrigued? Let's meet a few of these AI superheroes. Pictory AI, turn words into videos and videos into cash. Remember the days of spending hours learning complicated video editing software? Those days are over. Pictory AI is here to rescue you and your sanity. This magical tool transforms text into engaging videos in a flash. Write a blog post, turn it into a video, have a podcast episode, boom, instant video content. Pictory AI does the heavy lifting, adding music, visuals, and transitions. You can even customize it to match your brand. Why is video so powerful? Because humans are visual creatures. We love watching things move and groove. Pictory AI helps you capture attention, engage your audience, and ultimately, boost your bottom line. Jasper. Your AI copywriting sidekick for killer content. Writer's block got you down? Meet Jasper.ai, your new AI writing buddy. This clever tool helps you create compelling content, from website copy to social media posts, faster than you can say artificial intelligence. Think of Jasper.ai as your personal wordsmith. Give it a topic, some keywords, and watch it weave magic. It's like having a team of expert copywriters at your fingertips without the hefty price tag. And the best part? Jasper.ai never gets tired, never misses a deadline, and always delivers high-quality work. More time for you to focus on the big picture, like counting all those extra dollars rolling in. Section 5. Otter.ai, transcribing your way to riches. Well, almost. Tired of typing up meeting notes or interview transcripts? Otter.ai to the rescue. This handy tool transcribes audio in real time with impressive accuracy. Imagine this. You're at a conference, soaking up knowledge from brilliant speakers. Instead of frantically scribbling notes, you open Otter.ai. It captures every word, speaker changes, and even timestamps. Later, you can easily search, edit, and share your transcripts. Otter.ai is a game changer for journalists, podcasters, students, and anyone who wants to save time and avoid the dreaded carpal tunnel. Section 6. The Power of 3. Combining tools for maximum impact. Now here's where things get really interesting. When you start combining different AI tools, you unlock a whole new level of potential. Imagine combining the power of these AI tools. Each tool brings its own unique strengths to the table, and when used together, they can create something truly extraordinary. Let's say you're a coach who wants to create an online course. You have the knowledge and expertise, but you need the right tools to bring your vision to life. First, use Jasper.ai to help you write compelling course content. Jasper.ai can generate ideas, structure your lessons, and even help with the writing process, making it easier and faster to create high-quality material. Then, record yourself teaching a module and let Otter.ai transcribe it. Otter.ai not only transcribes your speech accurately, but also allows you to edit and organize the text, making it perfect for creating detailed course notes. Finally, use Pictory AI to turn your transcript into engaging video lessons. Pictory AI can add visuals, animations, and even background music to make your videos more dynamic and engaging. See the magic? You've just created a high-quality online course, all with the help of your AI dream team. And the best part? This process is not only efficient but also scalable. You can replicate this process for countless other projects. Whether you're creating content for a blog, a YouTube channel, or even a full-fledged online academy, these tools can help you achieve your goals. Write an ebook and turn it into an audiobook. With the right AI tools, you can easily convert your written content into different formats, reaching a wider audience. Create social media posts from your podcast transcripts. Repurposing content has never been easier, allowing you to maximize your reach and impact. The possibilities are truly endless. With the right combination of AI tools, you can streamline your workflow, enhance your productivity, and create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Section 7, Real People, Real Results. AI Success Stories. Skeptical? Don't just take my word for it. Let's dive into some real-life examples that showcase the transformative power of AI. People from all walks of life are using these AI tools to achieve incredible results. From entrepreneurs to freelancers and even busy parents, AI is making a significant impact. Take Sarah, a busy mom who started a successful online business using Pictory AI to create engaging product videos. She managed to balance her family life while growing her business, thanks to the efficiency and creativity that AI brought to her workflow. Or John, a freelance writer who doubled his output and his income with the help of Jasper.ai. By automating routine tasks and generating content ideas, John found more time to focus on his passion for writing, ultimately leading to higher client satisfaction and more projects. These are just a few examples of the countless success stories out there. Each story is unique, but they all share a common theme: the effective use of AI to overcome challenges and achieve goals. The common thread: they all embraced the power of AI and used it to their advantage. They saw the potential and took the leap. They didn't let fear or lack of technical skills hold them back. Instead, they saw AI as a tool to enhance their abilities and open new doors. They jumped in, experimented, and reaped the rewards. The journey wasn't always easy, but the results speak for themselves. So, what are you waiting for? The world of AI is full of opportunities just waiting for you to explore and make your own success story. Section 8, No PhD Required: AI for the Everyday Entrepreneur. Here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech whiz to use these AI tools. They're designed for everyone, from tech-savvy millennials to baby boomers who still prefer pen and paper. Most of these tools offer intuitive interfaces, helpful tutorials, and responsive customer support. Think of it like using a smartphone. Remember when you first got one? It might have seemed intimidating at first, but you quickly figured it out. The same goes for AI tools. They're designed to make your life easier, not harder. So, ditch the fear of the unknown and embrace the simplicity of AI. Section 9. The future is now. Embracing the AI revolution. The AI revolution is here, whether we're ready for it or not. It's like the invention of the internet, the printing press, or fire. It's a game changer that will fundamentally reshape our world. The question is, will you be a spectator or a participant? Embracing AI doesn't mean replacing human creativity or connection. It's about augmenting our abilities, freeing up our time, and unlocking new possibilities. It's about working smarter, not harder. It's about using technology to create a better future for ourselves and generations to come. Section 10. Your AI adventure starts today. So, you're ready to join the AI revolution? Fantastic. The first step is simple. Explore the tools mentioned in this essay. Sign up for a free trial, watch a tutorial, and play around with the features. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve with just a few clicks. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and try again. The more you use these tools, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. And who knows, you might even discover your next big business idea along the way. Section 11 to infinity and beyond, the limitless potential of AI. The world of AI is vast and constantly evolving. New tools and applications are emerging every day, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. What we're witnessing is just the tip of the iceberg. The true potential of AI is limited only by our imagination. So let's embrace the unknown with open arms and curious minds. Let's explore the limitless possibilities of AI together. Let's unlock our full potential and create a future where technology empowers us to achieve our wildest dreams, to infinity and beyond.